Well, and again, I think that saver process that I outlined before is really important. I think it's really, really critical. Number one, more than anything, and this is going to take a little bit of just time more than anything, but train yourself to not overreact, and train yourself to not own the objection, and train yourself to not instantly sympathize with it. This is too important to leave to chance. You know, a lot of people believe, and I think incorrectly, that you sound somehow more natural when you just wing what you say. But I think if you look at anything that's been written about professional sales, what you want is a predictable result. You want a predictable reaction. And so you want to know exactly what it is you're going to say in the face of different types of objections. And so, yeah, I think you want to have objection handling scripts that are pre-thought out. I provide this when I coach, because I think it takes a certain skill to know how to diffuse an objection and then how to get the person to see it in a different way. But I think you need to stay poised. I think you need to stay relaxed. I think you need to not panic, and make sure you're not buying into what they're saying. So, for example, you know, they say things like, you know, I don't know, I'm insurance premium poor, or that's not in the budget, or things like that. You can't spend your paycheck and your checkbook on their insurance.
Yeah.
It's their issue to deal with, and I'm pretty literal with people. My feeling is, you can fuss all you want. You know, it's like a child saying, I don't want to eat my broccoli. The reality is, if you don't have the coverage, and if I don't have a crystal ball and I don't know what's going to happen to you, if this happens, you will suffer the loss. The reason most objections occur, and I'm going to be really, really clear about this, the reason most objections occur is because the client has not visualized the consequences. Bar none, that is the problem. So your role, if you want to make your life really, really easy, is to make sure that they have visualized the problem first before you offer the solution, and you won't have to deal with a whole lot of objections. Then you want to stop selling, ask them a question to clarify, make sure you understood what they said, give them an alternative perspective, and then go back to the conversation and see if they'll let you, continue on.